Hello everyone, welcome to Vidakti Education. So 7 divide 3, then 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Okay, then 3 multiply 3 is equal to 7 divide 9. Therefore we can write as 7 by 9. Okay, but this is not the correct answer. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this equation correctly by using PEMDAS rule. Okay, P is equal to parenthesis, E is equal to exponent, M is equal to multiplication, D is equal to division. In multiplication and division have same priority, and A is equal to addition and S is equal to subtraction. And also addition and subtraction have same priority. Therefore we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So now according to order of operation, we have to solve this expression from left to right. So first we have to solve this parenthesis 1 plus 2, because according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve parenthesis. Okay, so 7 divide 3, then 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Now here is division and here is multiplication. So multiplication and division have same priority, therefore we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so first we have to solve this part. So 7 by 3 multiply 3. Therefore cancel these 3 by these 3. Okay, therefore the correct answer is 7. 7 is the correct answer. Okay,